Are you as excited about the LinkedIn Incubator as I am? Maybe not quite yet because you don't know all the ins and outs about it, but I do. So let me tell you, if you haven't read above and below already, exactly why I am so excited about the LinkedIn Incubator. The information, it's a bit like a conference. And you know how at a conference there's so many sessions to go to, so many choices to make, so much information to take in. Well, it's a bit like that without the overwhelm. I've already chosen your sessions for you. So it's 2 full days with 8 people. And that's the other thing I really like about it. It's small, it's intimate, it's like a mastermind. You will really get to know the other people. So it's networking at its best, whilst learning as much as you would at a conference and implementing on the spot as you would in a workshop. I mean, how cool is that? If you want to kick ass with your business and use LinkedIn to do so, the incubator is where you need to be.